Good evening friends, welcome to our investments and trading channel. Now we are going to discuss on Nifty and Bank Nifty view for tomorrow's trading session. Initially we can start our discussion on Nifty. If we see the Nifty on the long term perspective, which means for 2 to 3 weeks, we can see the support and resistance levels for Nifty at 50,400, which is a very good support, and if this support breaks we can see a correction in the Nifty. And when we are going for the resistance levels, currently the Nifty high was 15,770 to 780 level, and above that the market has a resistance, which means a supply zone was around 15,800 to 16,000, which is a supply zone. So until the market crosses 16,000 levels, our strategy should be like sell on rallies. There won't be any buy on dips. If you are going for a buy on dips, you will be booking your profit with minor profits, which is a very risky trade also. So finally our support level is 15,400 support level, and our resistance level is 15,800 to 16,000 in the coming weeks. Now we will go for the Nifty analysis for tomorrow's trading session. On yesterday's video, I mentioned clearly that Nifty will face the resistance at 15,770 to 780 levels. If you see our today's market, the Nifty has a high of 15,772, which is in our exact distance level. From here, if you see, the market has closed at a level nearby our resistance level 15,751. So when you are planning a trade tomorrow, you need to know that, as I said, our supply levels are 15,800 to 16,000, and our strategy should be sell on rallies. So if the market has opened a gap up, we need to see the settle down of the market, and once it is settled, if the market came to the levels of 15,810 to 830, we can take a PE call at 15,850, and with a stop loss of 20 to 30 points. Means if you are entering your trade on Nifty at 15,820 to 830, we can keep our stop loss at 15,850 860, and our targets are at 15,770, 15,710 to 720, and 15,670. So as I said, sell on rallies will be very good profitable trades. If you see 15,830 to 770, which was 50 points, 15,830 to 15,710 to 720, almost 100 points, and 15,670, almost 150 points. So we should be trading a PE call in the Nifty in the coming days until it crosses the levels of 15,800 to 16,000 as a very good supply zone. Now we will go for the analysis for Bank Nifty. If you see the Bank Nifty chart on Friday, after Friday's session, as yesterday's video I mentioned clearly, the Bank Nifty will having a resistance at 35,463. If you see this level of 35,463, the market is continuously trading under these levels. we didn't have any up move here, almost less than 100 points. There is no movement in the market on Bank Nifty on today's trading session. Now we will go for the tomorrow's trading session, how the analysis was. If you see here, today market has closed at a level of 35,443 and our resistance level was 35,463, which is nearby, and today's high was 35,545 to 550. So our trade plan for tomorrow's trading session must be, if market closes, if the Bank Nifty cross 35,550 level and it should sustain this level, then we can see a up move in the Bank Nifty up to our next level 35,700. Means if Bank Nifty crosses 35,550 levels, then we can keep a target of 100 points. So if Bank Nifty crosses 35,550, let me explain you how we should enter our trade plan. This is our level 35,550. So when the market crosses the level, and it will go around some particular level, and after crossing, when the market has a small dip and it takes the support of 35,550, this is the exact meaning of sustaining the levels. So if market crossing the levels of 35,550 and in the next coming minutes, if it takes the support on a dip at 35,550, then we can enter into a trade of CE call at 35,550, and our target was 100 points plus 100 points, in the sense our next resistance level was 35,700, which means we should plan our trade up to 35,650 to 700 levels. If the Bank Nifty crosses 35,700 levels also, then we can see a up move up to 35,800, 36,000 and 36,100. But we as a safe players, we can consider our level at 35,700. If it sustains the levels above 35,700 continuously, then we can take another CE call. Now if the Bank Nifty didn't sustain the level of 35,460, now we can see a correction in very minute levels of 150 to 200 points. Our next support level for Bank Nifty was 35,272 300, 35,272 300, which is a very good support level. If it crosses the level and if it didn't sustain, then our next level was 35,050 to 35,000. So if the Bank Nifty didn't sustain the levels of 35,467, then we can see a correction, and the initial support was 35,270 to 300. If it didn't sustain that levels also, then we can see the levels up to 35,000. Now we are going to discuss on a long term view of up to 2 weeks to 3 weeks levels for Bank Nifty, we need to consider the good support level at 34,000 and the resistance level was 36,000. These are the two levels, if you see, which are very good support and resistance levels in a long term perspective, in the sense of 2 or 3 weeks. Now if you see, if the Bank Nifty crosses 36,000 levels, which is a resistance, then we can see a up move in the Bank Nifty from 36,000 to 37,000 very easily. And in the lower case, if the Bank Nifty didn't sustain the level of 35,000, then we can see the correction up to the next support level of 34,500 to 34,000. So we should plan our trades accordingly in the long term perspective of 12 3 weeks with the levels of 35,000 and 36,000. If it comes below 35,000, then we can see the correction of 34,500 to 34,000. Above 36,000, we can see a up move sharply at 37,000 levels. That's it for the today's Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis, friends. When you are planning for a trade, kindly consult your financial advisor to invest, as all our ideas are for educational purpose. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos on Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis along with short-term stocks. Thank you one and all.